Welcome and thank you for joining me. Are you looking for a slim, lightweight, and fast charging power bank? Well, I have something for you. Alright, here we go. This power bank takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge and has a nice LED battery status percentage indicator. This power bank can charge 3 devices at one time, and it can charge most latest phones twice from 0%. This power bank is super compact and lightweight. It has a non-slip textured design for comfortable grip. I can easily hold this with one hand and it looks pretty nice. If you're interested in another color, this also comes in white and it's super nice.